All right, so today I am replacing this guy. I've already pulled my fuel pump fuse right there. About to be putting in this guy right here. It's the Cobb fuel pressure regulator kit. Cleans this up. I guess with the 08 Plus, the fuel pressure regulator that they put in this is kind of trash. I can't really go into detail on it. I'll probably put a link down in the description that explains it all. But today won't be a full install video because I'm gonna have to be paying attention to what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and get the fuel pressure dispersed, or however you say it, start up my car, let it die out, and then hopefully get these fuel lines off and the Cobb fuel pressure regulator kit on. We'll see if it's easy or not, but yeah, let's go. All right, so I got my battery undone. I got the fuse undone. I already started my car. Hopefully let out enough pressure. It died. It wouldn't run anymore, and I didn't want to mess anything up. I gotta pull these off, these three, and then I gotta relocate this guy down here. Should be all right. Trying to look on the bright side of this. I'm just gonna let some things cool down and then get back to it here in probably about 30 minutes. So I got it all off. I have all of this covered just because I don't want to get dust all in my lines. I'm gonna have to put together my kit. It didn't come put together, at least the fuel pressure regulator didn't, but got these quick disconnects, or quick connects. Gonna be putting those on here soon. So just got to get all of this cleaned up, make sure there's no fuel where there's shouldn't be, and then get all those lines connected. Here's the stock FPR. A lot going on there, so the Cobb kit's gonna clean it up a lot. So yeah, I don't know if I need that or not. We'll see. But yeah. Ooh, almost knocked over my camera. All right, so I got all these off. Got those disconnected. Got my little vacuum line down here disconnected. I'm gonna plug that one up, and I'm gonna start connecting my FPR, which I got built right here. So yeah, let's get this knocked out, huh? So coming down the home stretch, got my feed line in, my return in with the FPR, got it all mounted up. I just got to tighten those clamps up all the way. These are on back here. Got these on right here. Now I got that vacuum boost line. I got to cut this appropriately, tee it off right here, and we're done. Okay, so I had to take the top mount intercooler off to connect a boost line down there. You can probably see it. It's the one with that zip tie right there, has the writing on it. That routes up to there where I put the T-splitting, and that T-split goes down to the bottom of my FPR, and everything else is plugged in, either attached, whatever you want to call it, but everything else is on there. This seems all right. Doesn't seem like there's any kinks in it or anything like that, so that's good. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. I'm hoping I did this all right. I might have to clamp down these a little more. I just don't know how tight these are supposed to go, man. And then I have to tighten these up, and that's easy. But yeah, we in there, baby. Let's go. Woo!